Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So y'all, firstly I just want to talk about how extremely fast I put this wig on. Now you guys, it took me all of like 7 minutes, and that's not long. Now the wig that I'm wearing is a 13x5 T-part wig from Unice Hair. Of course, I'm going to show what I did. It was little to no customization or anything like that. Now prior to, I did go ahead and put some makeup in the part when I initially took the wig out, before any lace was cut or anything of that sort. So, let's talk about shipping. So Unice got me the wig and they shipped it through FedEx, so I got it about 3 days. Didn't take long at all. So they do have, guys, they do have this available in a 13x4 frontal wig or a 13x5 T-part wig. Now T-part is basically like, if you pay attention to synthetic wigs, a lot of them come with that sort of like lace around the, you know, hairline, and then it's like a part, so in a way it's like a T, so that's why it's called that. So yeah, I got this wig in 24 inches. It is available 12 through 24, so that's perfect. I think this wig is mostly ideal for women who like to just put a wig on and go. Now, you can glue it down, but you guys are going to see that I don't use any glue of any sort for this wig. You can, and you can also wear it as if it was a frontal and put some baby hairs in there, because the lace does protrude around the hairline to the back of your ear. So really like that. I do like that it's kind of like a closure and a frontal wig together. The maintenance in putting it on is like a closure, but how it can look is like a frontal. So it's like a double whammy, and it's perfect for people who want a frontal but can't afford it or upkeep it because it can be expensive, or people who just want to see what it feels like to wear a wig but they want those baby hairs and things of that sort. So I really like the T-part design. I think it's pretty decent for anyone who's interested. Now the cap construction is 3 combs and adjustable straps. Now I have one here and in the back, and then the adjustable straps. So I am gonna show this as the video progresses. This is the box, and Unice was kind enough to send me some gifts. Came in this nice organza bag. They did give me some like stick-on nails. Thank you guys for those. They're really cute. They gave me a head wrap that comes in handy laying your wigs down your edges, and also they gave me a pack of nude wig caps, and that's awesome because, like I always say, you can never have too many. And last but not least, I got this pair of eyelashes, so thank you guys for that. But yeah, little to no maintenance, like seriously. Now, also another customizing thing that I did is I, threw a couple of wand curls in the hair, but they fell after sitting on a mannequin for a couple of days before I filmed this. So they're there, but they're not, but it looks really nice. The hair is super soft. I did not co-wash the hair, so I just didn't feel the need to. The hair was sitting nice. I really love the texture when you first get hair. When you wet it, it doesn't change dramatically. If it changes dramatically, it's bad hair. But I trust Unice. I've worked with Unice multiple times, probably more than I can count on both hands. So I know and trust and endorse this company for you guys. I believe they will deliver everything you guys want. So with that being said, if you guys are interested, definitely check out Unice Hair below. Any questions, like always, ask me in the comment section. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Alright you guys, so this is the wig straight out of the package. So as I said, I did a little customization on the wig head, but this is how much lace you get. And the parting, you also have some lace in the back if you do want to do like a little updo, ponytail, that type of thing. So this is the wig. It was super soft. I was obsessed. These are the gifts that they sent me. They did send me a black edge scarf, which you guys know you need right now. Well, it's just like a must. A pair of eyelashes, and then this is the box that it came in, as I already showed. So moving on, so I'm just, you know, putting those combs in, getting it on my head. And I will say, for my hair to not all be braided, it did fit perfectly fine. So I will say it's big head friendly, because if you guys know me, you know, okay, my real hair is thick underneath. So if it can go over that bulky mess, then it can definitely fit a bigger head than mine. And I did not have to use the adjustable straps at all. So this is how it's looking. Just taking some makeup per usual. This is just to make the lace blend, so I don't have to do any installing with any Got2b or anything really. And this is like a hack that I always kind of do, just to melt my lace in a way without actually melting it, if that makes sense. So I'm going to keep inching and cutting some lace off, and then I'll hop back on when I'm done. So I'm going to be using this curling wand by Conair. I believe I got it at like Target. It's a big barrel. If anyone's interested, just ask in the comments. I don't know it off the top of my head, but I did want to just add, you know, a couple more wand curls in the front, especially to give me that nice wavy face framing definition, and it did just that. Okay, sis. And after that, that's pretty much all that I did, y'all. Like I said, the wig customization was super easy. It literally was under 10 minutes, and I love that, because I didn't have to glue anything down. I didn't have to really pluck. I just put makeup on the lace and in the part and curled it, and that's literally it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your feedback in the comments, and I'll just let the rest of the video play.